everyone, this is Clara from Meghna's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare aloo paratha. When you are making the chapati into layer or stuff them with a filling, they are called parathas. Parathas in very popular northern part of India. So let's start our recipe. First we will make the dough for parathas. Here I am taking 1 cup of wheat flour, adding a half tablespoon of salt. Mix them nicely. And now we will start adding the water. Dough is ready. All you have to do is rest the dough like for 15 or 20 minutes. For filling into paratha, here I boiled 1 potato. Cut them very small pieces. Heat up the pan and adding half tablespoon of oil. Adding half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix them nicely. Now we will add it finely chopped green chilies. Now we are going to add chopped potatoes. Mix them nicely. And now we are going to add a pinch of turmeric powder. Adding half tablespoon of red chili powder. Adding half tablespoon of cumin seed powder. Mix it nicely. Now we will add it half tablespoon of garam masala. Squeeze the lemon on top of the stuffing and mix it nicely. That will add a very nice flavor. Your paratha will taste really good. Transfer into a bowl. Once completely cool down this stuffing, you can smash it. Now stuffing is ready. So let's make the paratha now. All you have to do is take the dough equal size. If you want big parathas, you can take big size amount dough. To add a stuffing into a dough, you spread the dough with your fingers. Make the edges thin. You can use rolling pin also. Center little more thicker than the edges. Now you can put your filling in the center and pull the edges. It is necessary to seal the edges. You can do this by gathering the edges together at the center, twisting them together so it seals the stuffing inside, leaving an evenly layer of the dough all around. Now to roll evenly, press on all directions. See, this is the easiest way to make your parathas. Now you can see the stuffing sealed inside very well. All you have to do is take the rolling pin and evenly make into a one paratha. If you can see the stuffing inside at all the edges, but it has not come out because you made a smooth fine mince stuff. So you put this on a hot pan. Add it a little bit of oil. Instead of oil, you can use butter or ghee. Now in case you don't get even coloring, take a cloth or tissue paper and press these areas which don't have even coloring, until it becomes evenly brown in all the areas. Now paratha is ready. When you make your paratha at home, have with pickle and yogurt. This is very good combination. Here half tablespoon of pickle I took. With yogurt I will mix it. This is very tasty. You can have with paratha. I hope you enjoy this video. Please do subscribe, click on that like button and comment, share to your friends. I'll see you again with my new recipes. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.